Can you inherit from two classes simultaneously? You cannot. C# is like many other languages, PHP, Java, and then for some reason I can't think of any other examples. It has a single inheritance model where types can or classes can only inherit from a single base. Unlike languages like C++, where you can go crazy, create diamond inheritance hierarchies, and basically go insane. Why would I want to do that? Person Nelson equals new employee. I really wouldn't. I was just demonstrating that you could do this. This is an example of where you would use this behavior. So I'm going to bring this back to employee to make this code valid again.